The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Luke Hopper. Today we'll be discussing the basic functions of the Danfoss controller. To change the set point, press and release the down arrow. The current set point will flash, raise or lower to the desired set point and release. To force the unit into a manual defrost, press and release the defrost button one time. DEF will be displayed on the screen. It will also show the small defrost icon to the left of the DEF. To remove the unit from defrost, press and release the defrost button once more, and the unit will return to normal operation. To force the unit into standby mode, press and hold the defrost button for 5 seconds until the display shows off, release. There will be a small blue dot at the bottom of the display indicating that the unit is in standby mode. To remove the unit from standby mode, press and hold the defrost button once more for 5 seconds until the display shows on, release, and the unit will return to normal operation. To activate the lights, press and release the SC button. To deactivate the lights, press and release the SC button once more. To transfer between Celsius and Fahrenheit, press and hold the SC button. To go back to Fahrenheit, hold the SC button once again.